Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to import your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and autofill data from Mozilla Firefox into Google Chrome. If you're switching browsers or simply want to keep your data in sync, this quick tutorial will help you do it easily and safely. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll down and click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. A new window will pop up. In the drop-down list, select Mozilla Firefox. Below that, choose the data you want to import. You can select bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and autofill form data. After making your selection, click on the Import button. Wait a few seconds while Chrome completes the import process. Once the import is finished, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to complete the setup. That's all for today. Now your Firefox data is successfully available in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.